Chat, I am horrified. Dolores, I need you to drop a steamer right on my back. Why am I following you? You better be leading me somewhere good, you nerd.
The pain I feel now is the happiness I had before. That's the deal. C.S. Lewis.
What are you talking about? There is no happiness. There's only pain. I gotta go dookie. Ah! The game knows I dookie, bro. We're getting there! We're getting there! Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Pick this back leg up. Okay? Oh my God! You're about to witness something crazy, chat. You're about to witness something crazy. They call this the CaseOh strat. Watch this. Watch this. No! Imagine it's a gun. What is DJ Khaled doing here? Dude, whoever's in these helicopters, I hope that they're Good stream, chat. I legitimately do not understand how that CaseOh's core. What positive individuals. Yo, wait a minute. What positive individuals. I'm a disgusting loser who deserves nothing good. Time to go get a 5,000 calorie meal from Wendy's and eat my sorrows away. Yo, notorious BL Kevin Pop-Tart. Get this guy back! Yo.
Buddy, I'm right here! What do you mean, where is he? I'm right here!
I'm about to take my drawers off!
I just say that? Why did my actual dad just say that? Alright, man, my dad. Get my ass!
That's not my dad! Oh, my dad said I look like that.
Hitting him. We're all good here. Wait, does he give honey or no? That'd be too hyper realistic, right?
Oh! Yeah, I'm a vegan. I only eat salads and stuff. This is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. What you laughing at?
Wait, Case, you're actually vegan? Like,
Yeah.
actually?
Yeah.
Which
Did I have a steak in my... Who is this? Oh, I can be the cook, the cashier, or the house. Friend.
Oh, okay. Our survey says... friend. You've blown it. Some men with beards look like they have what furry animals sitting on their face.
Please!
This is what you said. So, feeling tense? You should be.
You sold the game.
Everything is
Wait a
riding
minute.
on these
You
answers.
sold the game.
What a tense finish.
Hey!
Shall we play again?
Nah! I'm done! Good stream, chat! I am gonna get butt naked and I'm gonna run down the road until I get arrested! I am done! Yo, we gotta find a bathroom, right?
Oh, jeez. Oh, no.
Go pee pee! No, pee pee! No! Ah! Ooh, it's juicy! He's on my bunskies! That's a big man! Ah! Don't you please spare me indignity, and won't you please give me some decency, and won't you please